I decided to stop at the end of the season. So unfortunately, this will be the last half season as a MotoGP rider.